Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetsNews.com, and today we are here at the Samsung Forum in Indonesia. And as you can actually see as of now, right now within this video, you can see there are a lot of video products there are a lot of Samsung products actually which are there on the showcase, including TV, some music systems, some other smartphone devices, the cameras over there on the next table, and then we have some table over there on that side where we have some of the tablets and smartphones, including the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 Neo, the Samsung Note Pro. You have also the Samsung Grand Neo over there as well. So we have all these devices, including the Samsung Tab 3 Neo is also there. So we have all these products over here, and I am going to do a hands-on review of all these phones. And again, this is going to be a quick review, not a full review of these phones. We will come up with a detailed review very soon once we do that, once we get these devices for review in India. As far as availability is concerned, the Grand Neo is actually available in the market as of now for a price approximately 18,000 rupees. It has been launched in the Indian market, and it is going to come in Indian market with the Grand will be actually stopped. So the Grand will be discontinued. The Grand Neo will be there in the market. The Grand Neo has got a quad-core processor inside as compared to the Grand. When we talk about the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 Neo, the Note 3 Neo has got a 5.5-inch high-definition display, and then you have features like 8-megapixel camera, a hexa-core processor as compared to the octa-core processor which we have on Note 3. So again, we have a couple of interesting devices over here. We are going to do a hands-on of all these devices, and we also have a Samsung Galaxy Camera 2 as well with us. We are going to do a hands-on of that as well. That is also running Android. And then we have Samsung NEX 300 as well, which is not again running Android, but it is a kind of a mirrorless camera. You can actually add different kind of lenses to it. So in all, the overall conference, the complete forum, the Samsung forum, is actually looking very good, very interesting in terms of the devices it has, the kind of devices Samsung has actually showcased over here, kind of commendable in terms of the design, in terms of features which we have. The overall profile of the devices are all consumer electronics which we see over here, including some smart TVs, some LED panels over there, some other cameras over there. Over there we have the tablets and smartphones. So in all, it is a pretty interesting showcase of all the Samsung devices, and many of them actually are coming to India very soon. Samsung Galaxy Grand Neo is already in the market. When it comes to Samsung Galaxy Note 3 Neo, Note 3 Neo is also coming into the market very soon. But again, it has been launched. It has not been launched today. Today, the Samsung Galaxy Grand Neo has been launched. The Tab 3 Neo has been launched, and the Note Pro has been launched. So these are the devices which are launched. Note 3 Neo will come later on, and we have full expectation for the Note 3 Neo as well, because it is a you can say a better device when it comes to one-handed usage as compared to the Note 3, which is actually of 5.7-inch, whereas the Note 3 Neo is 5.5-inch. So we will keep you posted with all the reviews of these devices very soon. You will see these videos upcoming on our channel, uploaded very soon. Do let us know if you have any specific questions for Samsung devices, for all of these products which I just pointed out. Do let us know if you have anything related to Samsung which you would like to ask us. We would love to help you. And again, you can always like this video, like the videos like this and our coverage. We will keep you posted with anything which is coming over here and which is going to come in India as well. So thanks for watching this video. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.